Hi guys, today we are going to see about the string values, how to manipulate with the print statement. Okay, first of all we have to see this one, print hello world. Print it is my car. Some difference is available. We have to see this. Okay, just I have to copy this one, and use to pass this command Control V and make it print. Yeah. Okay, hello world is there and output also it is my car. Okay, I have to do some correction here. Okay, single quote and put here also single quote. What will happen? Some error will generate. Some error will generate. Yeah, run this one. Yeah, syntax unterminated string literal. So detected line 2, this is a error. Okay, because already it is my car, it is available here itself, so that's why we have to put it the double quotes here. We have to run this one double quotes. Yeah, run this one. Yeah, now it's okay. It is my car. Go for next one. I select a name equal to alias, age equal to 30 and print name, that is a string value, and name is the variable, age also string, okay, character, okay, and age is 30. Okay, just copy this one. Just this copy this one name and this one. Just copy this one. Go Control A, Control V, run. Name, alias, age 30 is available. Next, F string, format string. What is the use of that? Price equal to 78. Print F, the price is, that is the price variable. Okay, this 78 is available here. Okay, I have to copy this. I have to copy this. Control A, Control V. Just run. The price is 78. So because the price equal to 78 is a value is assigned, and you have to print this one. Price is the variable. You have to print this one. And next one. So here we can limit the number of zeros, number of zero or number of numbers. Only two decimal values. Okay, just copy and str copy. Control A, Control V, run. Okay, the total amount is 150.25. Here 0.2500 is available, and quantity equal to 3 item equal to 567 and price 49. Okay, my order equal to the value is a sentence with variable is assigned here. Just copy this one. Only one mistake is available here. Okay, we have to make correct. Control A, Control V. So only one mistake, that's the F string you have to use here. F string. Next one, I want to print this one. I want to print this one. Print bracket my order. Yes. I want three pieces of item number 567 for $49. Okay. Go for next. Yeah. Store sentence. Every day we learn Python and get master. So I want to print this sentence. Print this sentence and count the words. How many words is available? Yeah. Run. Count of words 8. Every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 words is available. Yeah. I have to make concatenate the sentence. Concatenate sentence. Yeah, word is available. Word learning is good every day. So just copy. Control A, Control V. Delete. Run. The original text is learning is good every day. And I put some condition here, a equal to hello world, print hello in a. If it is a, if it is a is available hello, it will make true, boolean value will be true. Apply this condition. Control E, control V, this one, yeah, true, the value is true. I want to make some O and down, what will happen? Run this one, yeah, false, because HELO is available, HELOO is not available. Slicing the character, a equal to hello world, print and parenthesis a 2 start with 2, end with 6. Yeah, yeah, this one. Start with the 2. 2 means LO. LO is a 0, 1. LO is a 2 and 3. And one blank sentence and W is available. Totally here 4. Start with 2, end with 6. Right. And last one is predefined function. How we have to use it in string value, predefined function. A equal to hello world. I have to do print, I have to print a dot upper. Upper means uppercase. A dot lower. It is a lowercase. Yeah. This is hello world is a uppercase. Hello world, the second one is a lowercase. Okay. Thank you. We'll see you next lecture.